fishing off of Muir Beach, just around the north bar. It's about 10 miles from the bridge there. It's pretty much the last spot where the salmon feed before they start shooting up the river. In fact, some of them are already going up. That's why we got to troll, got to piss them off, trigger them with the spinning baits, get a little reaction bite out of them. But a lot of bait in the area, a lot of fish here, so see if we can keep them biting.
Fish all over this morning. It's a good sign. A little bit on the surface right here. Yeah. Some around the bottom. Guy has a leader wrapped around his weight. Good hit.
Grab this here over here. Where's Cole? Follow him underneath there. Gotta get him under. Grab this here. Let him run, guys. Coming under. Coming under. Come on. Waiting for the next bite. Alright, step back, step back, step back.
Shit.